Alright guys, so this is how to withdraw your dogs token to Binance. Binance just announced that if you use Binance, you'll be getting up to 20,000 dogs, right? So I've already done it. I'll just be showing you guys how to do it, right? So obviously you can do that. So you click here on, then click on choose another option. So this is how to change to Binance. If you've already chosen something before, just click on the you click on the part where you see this stuff, right? The part where you see Binance something, right? So when you do that, you will have the option to change or choose another option, right? So you click on choose another option, and then you choose exchange. All right, so you can see it here. So if you choose Binance, you get up to 20,000 dogs, right? So you click on send here, and you click on send here. Then if you have a Binance account already, you click on yes, I have it. If you don't have one, you click on no, let's create it, right? So yes, I have it. Then you will see your docs deposit address and your memo. So let's quickly go to Binance to get that. So if you go to Binance, so this is my Binance now. So you just click, you come to your wallet, you click on deposit, right? So I don't have money here, so I click on deposit, right? Make sure your account is verified, right? You have to ensure your account is verified. That means you have put your documents and verified it, right? Remember, so you click on docs, right? So you have that, right? So you click on this. So you copy your address. You copy your address. You come back to docs, and then you paste it there. Then you copy your memo. You go back. You copy your memo. Memo is very important. So you copy your memo, and then you come and paste it here as well. Right, so you click on your paste your memo here as well. Alright, so that's it. So I think I've already done it. It will not allow me to do it again. So I've already done it to tell me error because I've already saved it before. So that is it. But if you have not done it, that is simply how to do it, right? So that is basically so. I've done my own. My own is set. So if you have done it, it will show docs to Binance, right? So that's basically how to use Binance to claim your docs token. All right, so have a wonderful day. If you love this video, do what to like, share, subscribe. Cheers.